Hey guys, welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to submit ID on Prizepicks. So here is the full guide how to submit your ID on Prizepicks, and you can follow me. I will teach you step by step what you need to do. First of all, you need to log into your Prizepicks account. So you can just go to the Prizepicks website, or you can just open the Prizepicks app, guys, on your mobile phone or any other device. Then you need to go to the settings. You need to navigate to your profile by clicking on your account icon or menu. Usually you will find this on the upper right corner. Then you need to look for the option says account settings or verification. So now let's go to the third step, start the identity verification process. Once in the verification or settings section, you should see an option to submit documents for ID verification. Select the option to start the identity verification process. So let's go to first step. You need to upload your ID. You will be prompted to upload a government issued ID, but typically you can use any of these following, guys. You can use your driver license, passport, or state issued ID card. Then you need to follow the instructions. You need to take clear picture of your ID or any other document. Then you need to ensure that photo is clear, showing all of the details. Make sure both the front and back of your ID are submitted, if it's required, of course. And let's go to the fifth step. You need to submit your ID. After you have uploaded the ID, review the details, ensure everything is correct, submit your ID for review. And the last step, you need to wait for the approval. Once submitted, Prizepicks will review your ID. The verification process may take few minutes to few business days. You will typically be notified via email or in-app notifications once your ID has been verified, guys. So this was the full instruction how to submit your ID on Prizepicks. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video update.